Yeah, hello friends. This is Sunil Pawar here, and I'm back with one more video. Yesterday night, I had given this demo call. You can see this video. This was a demo call that was given for 22nd of July. Today it is 22nd of July, and this demo call was expiry special demo call for 22nd of July. But today market opened with a big gap up, and all the call options which were given in this pre-market call, they opened above the second target. They almost opened at the second target or above the second target. So we could not enter into these calls because the entry price was already gone, first target was already gone, and second target was already hit. So as per the rule, in this case, when the pre-market calls open above the target, then in that case I give live market calls at 10:30, 10:15 or 10:30. Between 10:15 to 10:30 these calls are given, and that was also told in yesterday's video. In this video, if you see in detail, it was already told if these calls open above the market, above the entry price, then new calls will be given. And as per that rule and as per that discussion in the video, I have given these calls. These calls are the live market calls for 22nd of July. These calls are for today, and these are the calls. These calls are to be tracked today. Nifty call 15,800 if crosses from here after 10:12, after 10:15. If Nifty call 15,800 crosses 21.75, then target is 37.80, stop loss is 5.70. Nifty put 15,800 if crosses 46.35, then target is 62.40 and stop loss is 30.30. Same way you can read for Bank Nifty. So the trader will follow only these rules. Enter in call option if call option crosses its entry price. Entry price is, what is the entry price? Entry price is 21.75. For Nifty call 15,800, 21.75 is the entry price. For Nifty put 15,800, entry price is 46.35. If call crosses entry price, then buy call. If put crosses entry price, then buy put. And if they cross this entry price after 10:15, then only the trader will enter. What high they made in morning, what low they made in morning before 10:15, that is irrelevant. Just do not look at those highs and lows. If they cross this entry price, given entry price after 10:15, then trader can execute the trades as per rule. Then second rule is double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. If call hits stop loss, buy double quantity of call or put, whichever activates. For example, we entered into put 15,800 Nifty put. For example, it crossed 46.35 and then it did not hit the target, it hits the stop loss. In that case, exit on stop loss, wait for call to activate. If call activates, then buy double quantity of call option, and if call does not activate and again put activates, then you can buy put in double quantity. Same rule for call. If the trader enters into call and if the stop loss is hit, then exit on stop loss. If put activates, buy double quantity of put. If put does not activate and call again activates, then buy double quantity of call. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. See, if these targets, like for example Nifty call 15,800, if hits target of 37.80 within 2 hours, then if the trader has bought 2 lots, one lot he can book on target, other lot he can carry with stop loss on cost till 3:20 p.m. There he can get a big profit. So friends, these are the calls and these are the rules. So let us track, let us see. Last expiry, my calls, the capital doubled in options, and previous expiry capital went up 5 times. So let us see today what happens. Share these videos and channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and this knowledge. Thanks friends.